2018 BMW X4 Review. The 2018 BMW X4 is one of the most athletic SUVs in its class. However, with cramped rear seats and a small cargo hold, it lacks the practicality most shoppers look for in an SUV. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Powerful engines. Agile handling. Standard all-wheel drive. User-friendly infotainment system. Small rear seats. Poor cargo capacity. Overall, the BMW X4 is an okay luxury compact SUV. It focuses more on the sport aspect of an SUV than the utility side, with nimble handling and your choice of two powerful turbocharged engines. Additionally, all X4s come standard with all-wheel drive. Infotainment features are easy to use, but that about wraps up this vehicle's positives. Backseat space is limited, especially for taller passengers, due to a sloping roof. The X4 also has a tiny amount of cargo space compared to rivals. There aren't many reasons to buy the X4 instead of a better and more well-rounded rival. First off, the X4 is a lot more expensive than nearly every other vehicle in the class. If you have a big budget and want thrilling performance from an SUV, go ahead and get the X4. Though if you're comfortable dropping that kind of cash, check out the Porsche Macan. It's the only SUV in the class with a similar price tag to the X4, but way much higher. The Porsche is more athletic than the BMW, and it has a nicer and more useful interior. You'd also be wise to check out the BMW X3, which costs much less but offers more passenger and cargo space. The 2018 BMW X4 features a potent turbo-4 base engine and is available with an even quicker turbocharged 6-cylinder. The X4 gets average fuel economy for the class, but it's among the best when it comes to handling. All-wheel drive is standard, which is not the case in many competitors. One of the main differences between the X4's two trims is their engines. The base 28i features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that puts out 240 horsepower. It provides enough power for highway driving, and acceleration is pretty quick. The M40i comes with a turbocharged 3.0-liter six-cylinder that produces 355 horsepower. Its acceleration is even stronger, and it will throw you back in your seat when you put the hammer down. It probably provides more power than people need from a daily driver. When it comes to fuel economy, the base engine is the clear winner. It earns an estimated 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Those are typical ratings for a luxury compact SUV. With a larger engine, the X4's gas mileage drops to 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. The 2018 BMW X4 has a well-built cabin with plenty of high-quality materials. The front seats are comfortable and roomy, but the rear seats are undersized. There are many tech and driver assistance features, and the iDrive infotainment system is easy to use. The X4's cargo hold is among the smallest in the class. The BMW X4 seats 5 people. Full leather upholstery and power-adjustable front seats are standard. Nevada leather upholstery, heated front and rear seats, front sport seats, and a heated steering wheel are available. The front seats have ample space and support. The available sport front seats provide extra bolstering. In the back, things are different. The rear seats don't have enough space for most adults, and the sloping roofline cuts into the available headroom. The step in height may also make it tough for some passengers to climb into the vehicle. The X4 has 2 full sets of latch connectors for installing car seats. The anchors are easy to find and reach, and the seat cushions don't obstruct access to the lower anchors. Most car seats fit without much trouble, but rear-facing seats require the driver and front passenger to scoot forward quite a bit. Standard features in the X4 include a moonroof, a USB port, the iDrive infotainment system, satellite radio, HD radio, adaptive cruise control, front and rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and mobile office, which allows you to check text messages, emails, calendar events, tasks, and voice memos. Available features include a Harman Kardon surround sound audio system, wireless phone charging, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, a surround view camera system, navigation, a pedestrian and collision warning system, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, a head-up display, and active park assist.